Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm in front of Demel. And it looks like Dremel. I'm sure it's not pronounced Dremel, but they're like a bakery, and they make different things and all sorts of chocolates. But they're really world famous for like their pancakes with rum raisins and their bakery, and they make it all fresh and everything else. But I was going to take you inside and show you the building, and then I'll show you them making them, and then I'm going to eat one. Oh heck yeah, I'm going to eat one. All right, I won't have two. I'll just have one. Okay. I gotcha. Let's go take a look. So this is the line. So this line right here is the outside line, and this line that goes all the way around is the ones waiting for tables. And this is the name of it. It's called Dremel. And so this looks like a takeaway or something. But let's go inside and take a look. And so let's go in here. Shop entrance open, and so you can see how pretty this is and how amazing it is. But this guy here is making, and this is pancakes, right?
Yes, exactly.
How you doing? We talked yesterday.
Oh, right.
Have you added the rum raisins yet?
Yes.
All right. It smells heavenly. Well, you got a bunch of them going, don't you? Wow. Amazing. And they boil the milk and the dough, and they look at all the butter. How much butter goes in each one?
One pan. I couldn't say you an exact number.
A bunch?
A bunch.
A bunch. I like butter. It's my favorite food. And so you can see this pan. So this one is full of dough. This big one here is full of dough. And then he fills up his bucket here when he's done. And then he dumps that in there. And then you can see the little raisin bowl right over there. And that's the rum raisins. And they're soaked in rum, right?
Yes, exactly.
Cool. How long does it take to make?
One pan.
Yeah.
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes. Thanks for letting me ask questions. What's your name? Galuka. You'll be on YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah,
oh,
sure.
Perfect. Wow, look at it smells so good. If you want to give away a free sample, no, I'm going to go up and I'm going to buy one. So, but it's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. And what's the name of it?
It's called
Kaisermoth.
Kaiser.
Kaiser.
Like on the side.
Kaiserschmarrn.
Yes.
Schmarrn. Kaiserschmarrn. Kaiserschmarrn. We're going to have Kaiserschmarrn. And so its ingredients are the butter and the dough and then a bunch of rum raisins. Anything else go inside?
At the end, we put in some sugar and we caramelize it, and then we mix it together. That's it.
Okay. And then you can get it with two types of sauces, right? Plum sauce?
Here is plum sauce. Here.
Wow. Wow, that looks amazing.
Whatever you prefer.
So plum sauce or what?
Or vanilla sauce.
Vanilla sauce. Wow. Wow. Very cool. I can't tell you how good it smells. It smells marvelous. Okay, let me show you the rest of this place. Oops. And so they make, look at this too. Look at the size of the croissants. Those are enormous. They're huge. They're $3.90 each, and they have sandwiches and donuts and all sorts of things. And then candies and chocolates and gingerbread churches and wow. And look at the chocolate they make too. Did I mention how good it smells? It is heavenly. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let me show you the other side. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow. It smells so good. And they have, you know, you can do takeaway. And they have schnitzel. I think it's like apple schnitzel or something. Oh, strudel, not schnitzel. Strudel. Sorry, I got that wrong. Wow. Wow, wow. And it looks like jellies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. And this is the line for upstairs. I bet it's an hour-long wait. I'll show you the line. I showed you the outside line. There's an inside line too, so. Wow. Wow. Oh, caramel. Oh, I love caramel. Oh, that's heavy. How much is the caramel? Oh, 20 bucks. Oh my gosh. 20 bucks. It's like a large Tootsie Roll with caramel instead of chocolate. Wow. And they're making them over here too. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. I just had to jump by it. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Wow. Amazing. It smells so good. Jeez. How about a cake? How about an Easter egg? Wow. Jordan almonds, which are one of my favorites too. Wow. Can I say wow wow to the smell? How about a wow wow wow? I would lick that thing from top to bottom. And then I'd be in trouble because I couldn't pay for it. Okay, let me see if I can find a seat. Okay, bye everybody. Okay, so after waiting in line for a good 20 minutes, now we go up the stairs, and I don't know what this looks like up here. I've never been up here, but there's a line to wait too. So yeah, it's all full of people and full of more people. Okay, I'll be back. Bye. All right, everybody, I'm here at my table finally. It's been like 40 minutes, but I just wanted to show you some stuff. And they have, you know, prices and different things, and alcoholic beverages and cakes, and oh, these are all wines. Let me see if I can find the, where is the dessert? That's all alcohol. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I finally found it. I was looking at this side, but not this side. So much for reading, huh? Reading's a four-letter word. Anyway, so this is what I want. The Kaiser Schmarm. Kaiser Schmack? Whatever this one is. And you can see the price of that. It's a pancake, so it's $12.90 for a pancake. And you can get it with, I don't know what these words are. So I think this is plum, and that looks like whipped cream, and this one's vanilla sauce. Oh, I see. So with the plum, it's 12. With the whipped cream, it's $8.50, and then with the vanilla sauce, it's $9.50. And then what is this? Baked square donut, apricot and plum jam. Wow, vanilla sauce. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. They better bring 2 forks. Anyway, okay. So now you know what the prices are going to be. So it looks like with the plum sauce and the pancake, it's this much money. So it's going to be a little bit of an expense, more than a meal. So let's hope it's as big as a meal. Okay, that's it. I'll be back. All right, everybody. Well, I screwed that up. So this is what I want. Demel Kaiser Schmarm. This is the cake, the shortcake or whatever, the chocolate cake thing. And this is apple strudel. Boy, did I mess that up? You know, again, did we talk about the reading side of this? Anyway, this is what I want. So let's just go like this. Famous pancake. That's all I care about. And you can get it with plum or with vanilla sauce, I think. Anyway, boy, what a mess, huh? Okay, very cool. All right, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, everybody, I'm sitting here waiting for my dessert to come, but I just wanted to take a second and show you. It's 2 in the afternoon, and it is jam-packed. Every table is full. The wait is 40 minutes. You're not going to get in here. It's pretty horrendous. And then let me just stand up a bit, and then I'll show you here, too. Every single table is full and jam-packed. It is just crazy. Crazy, crazy. This place is really famous. Get here early or don't get here at all. Okay, bye. All right, everybody, while I'm waiting for my thing, they have this place where you can, like, look at stuff. Sorry. Boy, it's a busy place. Look at the wonderful pastries. Wow. This is one busy place. Oh, that one looks heavenly there too. Wow. Amazing. Wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. And this is like multiple levels. There's like 3 or 4 floors here. But you can see how busy this place is. It's just crazy. They're probably going to yell at me for walking around. But. Cool. All right, let me get back to my table, everybody. Okay. Wow, wow. Oops. Bye-bye. Here's what it looks like. Is that amazing? And so let me stick my finger in here. Oh. Wow. It's really plummy. Let me lick some powdered sugar. Okay, that's good too. All right. Let me turn this camera around. I'll take a bite. I gotta turn it off because I brought a tripod this time. Okay. Bye, everybody. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. Is the tripod straight? You know, getting these tripods straight is the hardest part, and getting your face centered. Okay, I'm good. So again, here's what we're looking at. Is that amazing? So I'm going to try. I guess I should take the napkin off the plate. And it's not Dremel. I called it Dremel earlier. It's Demel or something other than Dremel. Anyway, so let me try a bite of this. So let me show you what I'm looking at here. So if you guys can see that. So here's the plum, and then here's the sauce. Okay. And then I'm going to dip it in. So here's what we're looking at. Does that look wonderful? Oh my, it smells like plummy butter. Oh, it smells like butter. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. I better try another one, just in case. But I don't want, you know, I had a plum last time, and I think I just want the sauce. You know, the problem with this is, do you know what's going to happen at the end of this? I'm going to lick the bowl. Okay, here it is. No plum, just sauce. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You know, I'm going to have another one of these. Am I drooling? Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to need some more of this. Bye-bye. Okay, I did it, everybody. I ordered another one. Oh my gosh. So I'm having $30 worth of pancakes. 30 bucks. Oh my, that's vanilla sauce. Oh my gosh. Okay, 30 bucks worth of pancakes. Here we go. Is this silly? 2 of these? All right, I'll be right back. All right, everybody. Okay, so you can call me a pig, but I'm having another one, and so let's try this. And so this is can you guys see this? It's a little cup of vanilla sauce. Hang on, let me try this. Hang on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. That is incredible. Thank God for talented tongues. Okay, so let's try dipping this. And here's my streusel, or my, not streusel, whatever this stuff's called. And so then we'll try this. Here's what we're, oh my gosh. Okay. The vanilla is much better than the plum. Wow. That is amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's try another one. I think I just want to lick the vanilla. Okay, I didn't say that. Let's try it. I'm going to put a bunch of vanilla on there. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. If I get thrown out of this place, you'll understand why. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow. Do you want a bite? Go ahead. Have a bite. No? No, you don't? Well, okay, I'll eat it for you. Don't worry. Oh, I got a raisin. That is amazing. Wow, wow. Ooh, they're very rummy. Hang on a minute. Let me dig. Look at this. That's a little raisin. Let me tongue the raisin. Or eat the raisin. Sorry. I got tongue on the mind. Wow. Wow. It is very rummy. Anyway, everybody, thanks for coming with me and having pancakes for afternoon at 3 in the afternoon. Bye, everybody.